And today I'm so excited to be here with Girlactik to release some new products to you guys. Yes, we are releasing new shades of the cult favorite matte lip paints. These are absolutely amazing, and I know you guys have been waiting and begging for some new shades, so Glee did it. She brought you 4 more new shades. So with these 4 new shades being released, the shade Ooh La La that I'm actually wearing right now, this shade does kind of correlate with the Pantone 2019 color of the year, which is Living Coral. So this shade does resonate with that, having that coral undertone, and looks beautiful on any skin tone. Just as excited as I am for the launch of these 4 extension shades to the lip paint line. Let me know if you guys would rock all 4 of these shades. If not, what shades would you rock? I'll see you guys next time. Bye, babes.